won't you take me home? Send me shivers somewhere I used to go. Write my name across your mouth when I let my feelings down. Darling, won't you take me home? Yeah, won't you take me home?